On today's video for the 3D lily pad pawn stitch along, we are going to create our cattails here. And these combine two different stitches, the bullion knot and the detached chain or lazy daisy stitch. So for this one, you will want 6 strands of your dark brown thread. And we're going to bring our needle up right at the top of our cattail here. Pull our thread through so we feel that knot nice and flush. Then we're going to bring our needle back down at the end of our cattail, and instead of pushing it all the way through the fabric, we're going to actually pop it back up through the fabric right next to where we came up there. Now we're going to wrap our thread that's coming out of the fabric around our needle here. So I'm going to pull my needle up some, stick my finger underneath it, and wrap until I have enough thread to fill that space. So that looks pretty close to there. Now I'm going to pinch it all together and just gently tug my needle through the fabric, pinch in all my wrapped thread. Sometimes you gotta wiggle this a little bit to get that right. Gently tug. And now we want to pull towards the bottom of our cattail, slide our little bullion knot up, and then bring our needle back down right at the end of our cattail here. And that is our bullion knot. And now we're going to make a detached chain or lazy daisy stitch around this. So we're going to come up slightly lower than where we went through the fabric there. Hold your thread towards the top of your cattail again, and then go back down at the base of your cattail. We're going to gently tug so we have a nice open loop on the front of our fabric. Then bring your needle up inside the top of that loop there, where you want the top of the cattail to go, and gently tug so our loop sits around our bullion knot. And then we're going to make a short little stitch right on the other side of that loop there to finish off the top of our cattail.